How to set up multiple users accounts on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In settings, simply scroll down and search for system. Then click on system. In system, you'll find multiple users. Click on multiple users. Then click on add a user in here. Press on OK. And then you can edit the new user's name and then press on OK. After you do that, new user will be added, and in this way you can switch accounts as well by clicking on switch. And this is how to set up multiple user accounts on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more.